Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to design this awesome little Facebook home page which contains this login page here. So you can see that this is the preferred Facebook login page. So whenever you go to Facebook to create a new account, so you see this button here, which is this green button, and this login button, and these two input fields out there, which is for email and password. We also have this forgot password here. This is a hyperlink. So this is the heading here, which is the Facebook logo, and connect with friends and the world around you on Facebook. So we will try to design this using Tailwind CSS. So Tailwind CSS is a framework similar to Bootstrap, but basically inside this framework you don't need to write custom CSS. It contains utility classes. So if you just search Tailwind CSS, the official website of Tailwind CSS is this. So you can see it contains a utility classes based upon which you can create a lot of responsive widgets. So like this. So you attach these classes in the HTML itself. So you don't need to write custom CSS for this. So this reduces considerably amount of time and also code, and also it increases efficiency. So we will try to replicate this design of Facebook inside Tailwind CSS. So only this much code will be required, guys. So that much code is required. So all these classes we will attach dynamically. So I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So if you want the full source code, you can go to my blog post. So this is the blog post I have written here. I have given all the source code. So here I can simply say get the full source code in the live chat. So basically you can get this full source code in the live chat. I have given this. Your efforts are insane, so keep up the good work, Nitesh is saying. So let's start designing this from scratch, guys. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So we will make this a new file which will called as facebook.html. so here, guys, we will be giving a title which will be called as Facebook login page UI clone. So just do it, and basically we will style it side by side. So just make this right here. So we will make it full size here like this. So now you can see that. So full size is there, guys. You can now see. So now we will be opening this inside the live server. So nothing will be there. So now we will start writing the code, guys. So first of all, what we need to say is that inside this we will have a, you need to include the CDN, guys, for Tailwind. So just go to its Tailwind CSS, guys. Just search for Tailwind CSS CDN. Just go to Google, and basically here you need to include Tailwind CSS CDN. So you will get the CDN here. This is the CDN that you will need. So only the script tag. So just include this inside after the title. So simply paste it. So now you have successfully included the CDN. So now, guys, we will be having the classes. This will be a div div. Here we will have another div, and h1. We will say that Facebook. So now you can see Facebook will be written here. Let me zoom in so that you can see. So now we will be attaching some classes to it, this h1 tag. So the first class we will attach is, we will make this heading somewhat larger, text 5XL. So it will make it somewhat larger. You will see that. We will also change the color of the text to text blue 500. So it will be changing to blue color of Facebook like this. And also we will be changing it to bold. So now you can see it changed to the Facebook logo. We have designed it with the help of these three classes, which is of Tailwind. First, to make this larger text and change the color, and also change the boldness. You can also make it red as well. Totally depends upon you. So all these colors are supported, and then we will have a simple paragraph, guys, which is used to basically, here we will say connect with friends and the world around you on Facebook. So that's it, guys. This is all that you need to write here. This will appear at the left hand side, and also we need to attach the classes, guys. Here basically we will be giving a class of content, and we will make this text 3XL. So like this, you can now see it will be larger, and also we will say text will be in the center position. So right here it will be moving in the center position, and on medium devices the text will be in the left position. That's it. So if you just see here, guys, so this is we have built right here. This is a Facebook logo and this is a line here. So after this, guys, we will be having another div section here. Basically inside this div section we will have the actual form element. So inside this form we will have two input field here. So this will be input type of text. So basically you will now see there will be an input field. Input type text, and basically if you just refresh it, so placeholder will be simply be email or phone number. So now you can see that this is the input field here. So this is a default styling which Tailwind CSS gives you. It will not have a background color. And the next input field, guys, we will have for the password. So similarly after this we will have for the password as well. So basically the placeholder will be simply password. You can see here this is email and password. So after this, guys, we will have a simple button to submit the form. So this button will simply say, if you see login, and after this, guys, we will have a simple anchor element, and basically here we will simply say forgot password. And then we will have a simple HR line here. Basically this is the HR tag here, horizontal line. And then we will have another button here which will be saying create your account, like this, or it will say create new account, like this. So this is the HTML, guys. You can see this is email field, this is a login button, forgot password, and this is a create new account. So now we need to style all these things here by using Tailwind CSS classes. It's very easy. So now this form is over. So first of all, guys, we will style this button here which is create new account. So this needs to be in the green color. So first of all we will attach the class wfull. So this will have the full width here. So now it will be here, and then we will change the background color to green 400. So now, guys, it will change to the green color, and margin from the top MT8, it will have some margin from the top position, also margin bottom MB4, and also we will be changing the text to white. So you can see that we will also have a padding 3 like this, and this button will be rounded. So rounded LG, these are the Tailwind classes, so it will make it round. And also we will change the font of it to semi bold, and the next class will be, the text will be in large, so text LG. So this is your button guys, which is create new account. You can see this is a button here. And next guys, we will style this anchor tag, which is forgot password. So we will have these classes attached to it. So give it a class which will be text blue 400. So now it will be in the blue color 400. And also guys, we also need to align this in the center position, so that's why we'll say text center, and margin from the y direction will be 2. So that's it guys, that's all that you need to do for this anchor tag. Now we will be styling this w full login button, so it will have full width. So background will be blue color 500, and text we will change to white color. So you can see that we will also give padding here p3, so this will have some padding, and we will make this rounded LG once again. Again we will change the font to semi bold, and text will be large. That's it. So this is your login button is also styled guys. You can see that this is a create new account, this is a login button of Facebook. So if you're watching it for the very first time guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So after this guys, what we need to do is that now we will come to the input fields here. Basically these are the input fields here. So first of all, we will style this one, email and phone number. We will give the classes, which is margin bottom 3 and padding from the y direction 3 and padding from the x direction 4. So we will also give it a border which will be like this. So now you can see this is a border which is given to it, gray border. And also we will change the color of this border to gray 400. So we also, when we focus this, we need to remove the outline. So when we focus this, no outline will be there. Sorry, this needs to be outline none. Like this, no outline is there. And we will also make it rounded on medium devices. So this will be rounded like this. And then we will simply say focus. We will say ring 1. When we focus this, it needs to have this nice little border effect like this. And then we also need to say ring cyan, this is the color 500. So you can see, so this is a styling for this. Similarly, we will style the password field as well. Again, margin bottom 3, padding to also 3. px to 4, and we will be giving a border gray 400. So we will remove the outline when we focus this. So focus outline none. We will make this rounded button on medium devices. So when we focus, we will again change it to ring dash 1 and ring san 500. So the same styling, guys, which we had for the email field, this is for the password as well. So this is also styled, and now we will move to the form element, guys. You can see we need to attach some form classes as well here. So here what we will say is that we will attach the class to the form element, which is we will put a shadow, large shadow, and basically we will make the width to 80 pixel. So it will have a fixed width here, you will now see. And also basically we will say we will be giving a padding 4 like this, and then we will make it flex column layout, and then we will change the background to white and rounded LG. That's it. If you see here, now we have this nice little layout here. Now we need to center this basically to appear like this on the right hand side. So what we can do is that the parent class here, which is holding this, which is this div class, if you see, we need to give it a class which is container mx auto. This will makes it in the center of the screen, or flex call item center. So this will make it in the center of the screen. You can now see this form is appearing in the center. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that after this, just this span tag here, we will have a simple, after this form we will have a simple paragraph. Basically inside this we will have a span which is create a page. For celebrity, band or business, simply. So if you refresh it, you will now see create a page for celebrity and a business. So we can style this span tag here, create a page. We can give it, we can change it to semi-bold, text center, and W full. And also we will style this paragraph as well, which is we will make it in the center of the screen, and then we will make the text as small, and padding from the y direction will be 4. So you can see that now this is over. Now the thing is that you can see that the form is styled and also this heading is also styled, but it is appearing at the top. So we need to do like this. For this we need to attach the root class, which we have the root div here. This is a div here. We need to attach the class here, which is very simple. So here you will simply say padding to 20. Now you can see padding will be changed to 20. Horizontal screen, vertical screen, this is vertical. You will say flex. Now you can see as I put here flex, you will now see it changes. First of all, it will looking like this. If I change to flex here, it will change to this. You can see that this is appearing on the right hand side and this is appearing on the left hand side. You can see that. You can see that this is appearing exactly where we want it. Now we need to shift it little bit downwards. So for doing this, it's very easy. So we will say flex call reverse. So like this. So now this will now appear at in the reverse manner. And here we will say on medium devices we need to grow this flex row items in the center position. So when we grow this page, You can now see it will appear in the right in the center. So it is completely responsive. As you see, if you shrink it, it will now appear at the bottom, and if you just enlarge this, then it will appear at the center, similar to the design Facebook uses. And I think it's complete, guys. Some more classes we also need to say justify content, justify center, and also we will change the background to gray color 200. So it will have a simple background effect which Facebook uses, which is this gray color. So now this is complete, guys. This is the Facebook login page, home page, that if you go to Facebook, you find out this form here, which contains these two input fields, email, password, and a login button and a create new account. So we have designed this using a very few lines of code using Tailwind CSS. So all these utility classes, we have defined it. We haven't written a single line of custom CSS. All this is based upon all the classes which are available inside Tailwind CSS. So you can see how powerful is Tailwind CSS. It's very much powerful if you know the basics of it. You can design any interface, any login page that you want to. And please hit the like button, guys. I am seeing people are not liking the content. Only 3 likes are there. 5 people are watching the stream. So please hit that like button. Subscribe the channel as well. And if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the comment section.